Hello students, already we have started the lesson Unbeatable Supermom Mary Kom. Now up to here we have taken, that is a sportswoman looked up to. Now we are going to start from an interview. We are going to, actually it is an interview. It is an interview of Mary Kom. Okay. Now let's study, let's learn. In an exclusive interview with Sportskeeda correspondent Taruka Srivastava, Olympic bronze medalist Mary Kom talked about her preparation for the Olympics and her elation at winning a medal. In an exclusive interview. Exclusive interview means what? An interview published by only one source. An interview published by only one source, that is called your exclusive interview. Exclusive interview. Okay. An interview or exclusive interview with Sportskeeda means what? Related to sports. Sportskeeda correspondent Taruka Srivastava. Who has taken this interview? Taruka Srivastava, who was related to sports. Olympic bronze medalist Mary Kom talked about her preparation for the Olympics and her elation at winning a medal. What is mean by elation here? The word elation means what? Great joy. Here, Olympic bronze medalist Mary Kom, she had given her interview and she talked about her preparation, how she prepared for Olympics, as well as her elation at winning a medal, and how she was happy when she got such type of medal or bronze medal. Okay, now we are going to turn towards interview. Interviewer. First things, interviewer means who here? Taruka Srivastava, who has taken the interview. Okay, interviewer. First things, first you are the first Indian female boxer to win an Olympics medal for India. Has the feeling completely sunk in? Sunk in means what? Accepted, really, or realize and accepted. The word sunk in means what? Realize as well as accept. Okay, here the interviewer asks her first things. First, you are the first Indian female boxer to win an Olympic medal for India. Actually, you are the first Indian female boxer to got Olympic medal for India. Has the feeling completely sunk in? Are you really accepted that honor? At the same time, Mary Kom replied, I am really happy with my achievement, and yes, it is yet to sink in. I am just so exhilarated. Exhilarated means what here? Very thrilled. Really thrilled or very thrilled. That is called here exhilarated. Here she replied that I am really happy with my achievement. Whatever she had got, she was really happy with that. And yes, it is yet to sink in. Now she has accepted it, but again she replied that it is yet to sink in, it is yet to realize that I am just so exhilarated. Again she replied that she was just thrilled one, or she was just very much thrilled or exhilarated. Again, next question. Interviewer, you were the only female representative from India in boxing. Did that put additional pressure on you? Actually, you are the only female representative from India for boxing. You are the only female boxer, or only female representative from India in boxing. Then, did that put additional pressure on you? Have you got any pressure? Have you got any pressure at the same time, as you are the representative from India, and you are the only female boxer who got a representation from India in boxing? Then have you got any pressure? At the same time, Mary Kom replied, no, not at all. I was pretty confident about myself. I knew. But she replied that no, not at all. I was confident of myself. I was confident about myself. I knew that I can, what we say, that courageously I can face. So she thought that, she replied that I haven't take any pressure. I was really confident. Okay. After that, next question. Interviewer, your coach Charles Atkinson was not allowed to accompany you to the Olympics. How did that affect your preparations? Actually, during the, what we say, that during the Olympic event, the same time her coach was not allowed. At the same time, she asked her, interviewer asked her that your coach Charles Atkinson, what was the name of her coach? Charles Atkinson. Here the question will be asked that the name of her coach that is Charles Atkinson. Charles Atkinson was her coach, but he was not allowed to go with her. He was not allowed to go with her. Then she asked her, how did that affect your preparations? Is there any effect? Is there any effect of your preparations? How can you prepare without your coach Charles Atkinson, as he hasn't given permission to go with you? Then how can you prepare without your coach? Is it affected your preparations? At the same time, Mary Com replied, well, I did miss him there, but thankfully we had already done our homework and I was well prepared. What was the reply? She replied that actually I miss him there. I miss my coach there. But thankfully, luckily, we had already done our homework. Luckily, we had all preparations were made and I was well prepared. And she was well prepared. She answered that I miss him there, I miss my coach there. But luckily or thankfully, we had already done our homework, we had already done our work, and I was well prepared. Okay, after that, interviewer, during your preparations for the Olympics, you spared with the male boxers of the Indian continent. Who was your favorite sparring partner? Sparring means what here? That is also given here. What is mean by sparring? Sparring, motions of boxing during training without landing actual blows. Motions of boxing during training without what we say that landing actual blows. That is called here sparring. Here interviewer asked that during your preparations for the Olympics, you spared with the male boxers of the Indian contingent. At the same time, when you are going to prepare, at the same time you have to play with male boxers of Indian contingent. Then, who was your favorite sparring partner? Who was your favorite sparring partner? At the same time, she replied that when she heard that question, she started to laugh. She laughs, well, I trained hard in Pune and the male boxers were kind enough to practice with me whenever I required them. After laughing, she replied that actually I trained hard in Pune. I got hard training where in Pune, and also male boxers, they were very kind and they were kind enough to practice with me whenever I required them. Whenever I needed help, they helped me. She replied that whenever I needed their help, whenever I required help, definitely male boxers came forward and helped me. To name a favorite would be unfair. इथं एकाचं नाव घेणं अयोग्य ठरेल कारण अनेक मेल बॉक्सर होते की ज्यांनी मला हेल्प केलेली आहे. सो टू नेम अ फेवरेट वुड बी अनफेअर वन, अनजस्टली वन हिअर. आफ्टर दॅट नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, हू वेअर कोटेड सेईंग Adams was very clever, a counter puncher. You were quoted saying that Adams was very clever, a counter puncher, but although she carried power, she wasn't very tactical. I was scoring, but the judges were not pressing the buttons. Do you think dodgy judging was part of the reason for your loss in the semi-finals? Let's see what type of question here asked by interviewer. Interviewer asked her, you were quoted saying Adams was very clever. Adams was very clever, a counter puncher. Counter puncher means what? Defensive boxer. Here the word counter puncher, it means what? Defensive boxer. Here you always say that Adams was very clever, a counter puncher, but although she carried power, she wasn't very tactical. The word tactical means what here? Plan action to gain victory. Plan action to gain victory. Actually, she wasn't very tactical. She has not planned before. I was scoring, but the judges were not pressing the buttons. At the same time, also you quotedly saying that you have scored, but at the same time, judges were not pressing the button. Judges have made partiality. Do you think dodgy judging was part of the reason for your loss in the semi-finals? At the same time, she asked she asked her that, do you think dodgy judging, what is meant by dodgy here? Partial judging or unjust, that is also given here, unjust or partial. According to you, do you thought that dodgy judging or unjust judging or partial judging was the part of reason that you got lost in the semi-final, and because of that, because of partiality of judges, you lost in the semi-finals? Is there that reason behind it? At the same time, Mary Com replied that yes, I think some of the decisions were unfortunate and did not work to my benefit. Now she replied that yes, actually because of judges dodgy judging, because of the partial judging, got I didn't get medal or in the semi-finals. I think some of the decisions were unfortunate and did not work to my benefit. Again, she replied that some of the decisions they were unfortunately it was not useful to me and did not work to my benefit. She replied. Now, next question. Interviewer. India managed just 6 medals in the 2012 Olympics, even though we are a nation of 1.3 billion people. Where do you think a change is required to help us with medals that are proportionate with our population? Again, the interviewer asked her. Actually, India managed just 6 medals. India got only 6 medals in the 2012 Olympics. Even though we are a nation of 1.3 billion people. Actually, our population is so much. There are about 1.3 billion people, and even though we are the nation of we are a big nation, nearly about 1.3 billion people are there here in India, and India got only 6 medals in the Olympic 2012. Then what do you think that change is required? Where do you think that a change is required to help us to win medals that are proportionate with our population? Proportionate means suitable in size or suitable in amount. सुटेबल इन अमाऊंट और सुटेबल इन साईज. म्हणजे आपली लोकसंख्या ही एवढी मोठी असताना फक्त आपल्याला 6 मेडल मिळतात, ही खरोखर खूप दुःखाची बातमी आहे. आणि कुठं चेंज रिक्वायर आहे असं इंटरव्ह्यूने विचारलं आहे. म्हणजे कुठं चेंज केला पाहिजे ज्यामुळं आपल्याला लोकसंख्येच्या तुलनेत आपल्याला अधिकाधिक मेडल्स मिळतील. ॲट सेम टाईम मेरी कॉम रिप्लाइड, आय थिंक मोर अँड मोर पीपल शुड टेक अप स्पोर्ट्स ॲज अ फुल टाईम करियर if you want more gold medals. Now she replied that if you want more gold medals, definitely we must have to take up sports as a full-time career. More and more people, especially youngsters, they should come forward. They should take up sports as a full-time career if we want more gold medals. More corporates should come in and sponsor players so that the players don't have any financial pressure and can just focus on their games. As well as not only that much, but more corporates means companies here, companies or industries, more companies, more industries, they should come in and they should have to sponsor means what, organization that are aids sportsmen a sports event. They should have to sponsor players so that the players don't have any financial pressure and can just focus on their games. Actually, two reasons are told by Mary Com here. Various youngsters, they should come forward and they should have to take up sports as a full-time career if you want to get more medals. Also, more companies, more corporate companies, they should come in and they should have to give help. They should have to sponsor players so that the players don't have any financial pressure and they can focus on their games only. In this way, we can get more and more gold medals. After that, next question, interviewer. Do you think interest in boxing in India will ever go beyond the Olympics? Do you think interest in boxing in India will ever go beyond the Olympics? म्हणजे तुमच्या मते बॉक्सिंगमधला हा जो इंटरेस्ट आहे इंडियाचा तो ऑलिम्पिक्सपेक्षा सुद्धा पुढे जाईल का? इंटरेस्ट वाढेल का? मेरी कॉम, यस, आय एम शुअर दॅट इन अ फ्यू इयर्स बॉक्सिंग विल बी व्हेरी पॉप्युलर अमंग एव्हरी वन इन इंडिया ऑल द इयर राउंड. Now surely or confidently she replied that yes, definitely she was sure that in a few years boxing will be a very popular among all the Indian all the year round. Next, interviewer. How aware are Indian women of their nutritional requirements? Diet and nutrition must have been a key factor in your conditioning for the Olympics. Do you think nutrition is a neglected area in Indian sports? Here the word conditioning. The word conditioning means what here? Becoming fit. Again, the interviewer asked that how aware are Indian women of their nutritional requirements? For nutritional value, what should we have to do? Interviewer asked her. Diet and nutrition must have been a key factor in your conditioning, in your becoming fit for the Olympics. Actually, for becoming fit as a player, as we must have to fit, and for becoming fit, diet and nutrition must have been a key factor. They are actually diet and nutrition we must have to aware regarding diet as well as nutrients. Then how aware the Indian women of their nutritional requirements? At the same time, she replied that again, interviewer asked her, "Do you think nutrition is neglected area in Indian sports?" At the same time, Mary Kom replied that the awareness is growing now among the female athletes when it comes to nutritional requirements. Actually, what she replied that the awareness is still now growing among the female athletes when it comes to nutritional requirements. Nutrition has definitely been a neglected area in Indian sports. Again, she replied that nutrition is a definitely neglected area in इंडियन स्पोर्ट्स म्हणजे डेफिनेटली त्याकडे दुर्लक्ष केलेलं आहे. आय हॅड टू गेन 3 kg सिन्स आय हॅड टू फाईट इन द 51 kg इवन इंस्टीड टू ऑफ द युजल 48 kgs that I fight in. Again she replied that I had to gain 3 kilos since I had to fight in the 51 kg even instead of the usual 48 kg. ॲक्च्युली तिचं वजन 48 किलो होतं, पण त्यावेळेस मेरी कॉम म्हणतात की मला 51 किलो वजन गटात काय करायचं होतं, हे काम करायचं होतं आणि त्यामुळं 3 किलो मला वजन वाढवावं लागलं. म्हणजेच काय की वी मस्ट हॅव टू अवेअर रिगार्डिंग न्यूट्रिशन हॅज डेफिनेटली बीन अ निग्लेक्टेड एरिया इन इंडियन स्पोर्ट्स. So she had given her own example that she had to gain 3 kgs since she had to fight in the 51 kg even instead of the usual 48 kg that she fight in. So I had to focus on what to eat. So she focused on what to eat means what she had focused on nutritional value or nutritional requirements whatever she needed, and I gained weight by eating the right kind of healthy food rather than the bad saturated fats. Saturated fats, what is meant by saturated fats? Unhealthy fat, that is called here saturated fats. So she had gained weight, but how? By eating the right kind of proper type of healthy food rather than the bad unhealthy foods or unhealthy fats. Again interviewer, how big a role did OGQ play in shaping the boxing scene in India for the better? OGQ means who here? OGQ, that is also given here, Olympic Gold Quest. What is the role of OGQ in shaping the boxing players in India for the better? Mary Kom replied that OGQ really played an important part in my success. In her success, OGQ's part, Olympic Gold Quest, the part of OGQ was very important in her success. They helped me out whenever I needed something. Whenever I needed help, they helped. OGQ helped me whenever I needed, she replied. They took care of everything, which helped me focus on my boxing and kept me stress-free. Because of OGQ, as they have taken care of everything, that because of them I can focus on boxing, on my game, as well as I become stress-free because of them, because of OGQ, as they helped me whenever I needed help. Okay, it means that OGQ really played an important part in her success. Again interviewer, what is your opinion on the future of Indian boxing? What is your opinion on the future of Indian boxing? या इंडियन बॉक्सिंगच्या फ्युचरबद्दल तुझं काय मत आहे? At the same time she replied that, Mary Kom replied, now the future is very bright and I am sure many more boxers will get medals for us. Definitely, according to Mary Kom, the future of Indian boxer is very bright and definitely we can get many more boxers will get medals for us. Definitely we can achieve various medals for India. Interviewer, do you find it difficult to convince your children not to fight when they watch you go out and do it in style all the time? Again she had asked the question regarding her family here. Do you find it difficult to convince your children? Is it difficult to convince your children not to fight when they watch you go out and do it in style of all the time? When you go out at the same time, is it difficult to convince your children to not to fight? At the same time, Mary Kom replied that, well, I have twins. She has twins, and yes, sometimes it becomes really difficult to keep them under control. And again she confidently or really said that it was difficult to keep them under control. They means who? Their children, her children. Okay, next question interviewer, will you train your kids to become boxers as well? Actually you want to be train your kids, your children as a boxer? Mary Kom at the same time replied that I haven't really thought about it as of now, just let their mother box. ॲक्च्युली त्याविषयी मी अजिबात अजून काही विचार केलेला नाही. लेट देअर मदर बॉक्स, म्हणजे आई म्हणून जे काही मला कर्तव्य करायचे आहेत ती आता मला पार पाडू द्या. इंटरव्ह्यूअर: यू हॅव ब्रोकन सेव्हरल स्टेरियोटाइप्स अबाउट द वुमेन इन इंडिया by showing that women can compete with men in any field, but how good are you at the traditional feminine activities like cooking? Here the word stereotypes. Stereotype is what a fixed idea held as a common standard. Interviewer asked her, actually you have broken various stereotypes about the women in India by showing that women can compete with men in any field. You showed us that women can compete with men in any field, but how good are you at the traditional feminine activities like cooking? But do you like the traditional feminine activities just like cooking? Have you interested in that? Same time Mary Com replied that, well, I'm good at cooking and other household work too. I'm good at cooking, also I can work, I like to work other household chores. Interviewer: would you be interested in coaching Indian women in boxing one day? Would you like to uh, become a coach of Indian women boxer one day in future? At the same time Mary Com replied, let's see, in the future maybe yes. Let's see, भविष्यामध्ये बघू आपण, म्हणजे कोच होता आलं तर बघा येईल, असा तिचा रिप्लाय मिळाला. लास्ट क्वेश्चन युअर इंटरव्ह्यूअर: व्हॉट डू यू प्रेफर बिईंग कॉल्ड सुपर मॉम ऑर सुपर बॉक्सर? म्हणजे तुम्हाला काय म्हणून घ्यायला आवडेल, सुपर मॉम की सुपर बॉक्सर? ॲट द सेम टाइम शी रिप्लायड, मेरी कॉम रिप्लायड दॅट आय लव बिईंग अ मॉम, दॅट इज द बेस्ट थिंग दॅट हॅज एवर हॅपन टू मी. बट वॉट शी रिप्लायड हिअर, आय लव बिईंग अ मॉम, म्हणजे मला सुपर मॉम व्हायला आवडेल. दॅट इज द बेस्ट थिंग दॅट हॅज एवर हॅपन टू मी. सगळ्यात बेस्ट थिंग आतापर्यंत कुठली घडलेली असेल ती ही आहे, म्हणजे आय लव बिईंग अ मॉम. So she prefers to being called as a super mom here. Okay, up to here we have seen. Here the lesson is finished now, completed now, and tomorrow we are going to study the next lesson. Okay, thank you.